Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a very fun sponsored Temu haul. They reached out to me and asked if I would like to collaborate with them again, and I was very happy to. I've ordered from Temu a bunch of times. They've sponsored me several times. I've always had great experience with them. So I did just have to redo my craft room. A lot of you know that I had a flood in my craft room, so I had to have my floor replaced, and I needed some new rugs. And so this was the perfect opportunity to work with Temu again, because they sent me some beautiful rugs, which I can't wait to share, as well as some other craft room organization and decor items, some Christmas items, and lots of fun stuff. So can't wait to get started. If you are not familiar with Temu, Temu's an online marketplace that has lots of great things that ship really quickly. And the great thing about them is it's free shipping if it's sent by Temu. You get free returns up to 90 days. And if you buy something and then within 30 days the price goes down, it's very easy to get a price adjustment. They just credit your account. So I've done that before. It works out great. And yeah, so make sure if you have not downloaded the Temu app yet, that's where you get most of the coupons and stuff. I'll have a link down below. And if you click on that link and download the Temu app, you get all sorts of great coupons. And if you've already had the Temu app, go ahead and search my code, which is DUV3393. And you'll also get discounts. So my products will all be linked down below for your convenience. And the good thing about this haul is there are a couple of items that new users can get for $1 through my links. So this is one of them, and this is the first item I wanted to share with you. These are pajama pants, and they're a very pale retro pink. And they have all of these cute retro images on them. So there's cute little deer, there's Santa, there are pockets on the sides, and just let me show them all to you. There are a few bigger items, like I mentioned, the rugs, so I'll take the camera off the stand in a little bit, but I just want to show you some things on my table while I can. So anyway, look at the print on these, and it's a really nice, soft, like drapey fabric. It's not like too shiny or anything. So the regular price of these is $10.49. But like I said, if you click on the link and you're a new user, you can get these for $1. So I thought that was really nice of Temu to add that into my haul. So these are a size medium, and you want to go by the size chart on Temu, because a medium on Temu a lot of times is more like a small in US sizes. So I would definitely call these a small in US sizes, but I did order the medium on Temu, which I think these will fit fine. And they're really nice and wide leg, which I like for PJ pants. And they're just so cute and festive. Look at the two different kinds of deer. So anyway, these will be linked down below. Next we have, oh, this is so cute. This is a decor piece that I just fell in love with when I saw it on Temu, and this is $23.99, and it's a resin stack of gingerbread people. Isn't that so cute? So it's got the dad, he's got his little top hat on the bottom with the scarf, and then there's mom or daughter, and she has a bow on her head, and then there's the little kid with the hat and the candy cane, and he has a scarf too. It's all nicely glittered, and they're standing on a cookie. And it's even decorated on the back. It's just such a cute piece. Let me measure this for you so you can see how big it is. So this guy, he's a really nice size. He is about 11 inches tall, and then about close to 4 inches wide. So really cute for decor. I have a lot of gingerbread items that I'm going to be decorating upstairs with, so I will be putting him upstairs, or them upstairs. So I'd love that item. All right, next I have this gorgeous tablecloth, and I was trying to figure out how to show you how pretty it is. I mean, I could put it on a table, but I think it's okay if I just show it here. So this is a vintage tablecloth, and this was, oh boy, I put the price on here somewhere. There it is. Okay, I just put a little sticky there. It's 55 by 70. It comes in different sizes, and this one is $13.11. And it's a really nice vintage, again, retro looking design tablecloth. And if you click on the link down below, you can see it all spread out. But what I really liked about it is the scalloped edging. So it's scalloped and like perforated on the scallops too. So I thought that was so pretty. Look at all the different designs. These are on the edge, but then there are designs on the center too, and it's really like vintage looking. If you can see, it's like kind of dark, like, you know, like dark stain on it. There's that cute snowman. I love these little girls here. It's so pretty and vintage. So let's see, on the top, maybe I'll put a picture here. I'll put this up on a table upstairs and show it to you, just so you could see the full effect. But I just thought this was beautiful, and like I said, it comes in different sizes, and you know, you can pick what's good for you. So I love that, and I think that'll look really nice on my kitchen table, and it's a good size for that. Okay, so next we have, now these I don't think are available, but if you click on the link, you can be notified when they are. This is a set of 2 kitchen towels, and they are sold out. It was $6.49 for 2. Let me take my little sticker off. But they're really nice, like they're microfiber, but a really nice soft microfiber. And they're double-sided, so you can like drape this over, you know, your cabinet door or something and see it on both sides. So this one says "Have a Sweet Christmas," and it's got the little mug of hot chocolate with the gingerbread and marshmallows and candy canes in there, gingerbread cookies here, and then all sorts of cookies on the side too. It's so nice and soft. I think this will be really nice for decor. I have like a decorative ladder I keep in my dining room, and at Christmas time I put pretty dish towels on there because I have a thing for dish towels. I know a lot of you guys do too, so I just like display them. So I think this will look really nice on that display. They're just so pretty and soft. I'd hate to actually use them, but of course you could. And then this is the other one it comes with, which is so cute too. This one has more of a white background. It's got all the cute cookies on it, and just coordinates, of course, with the other one. But let me turn it the right way so you can see all the cute images. There's that same mug that was on the first towel, and just lots of cute cookies. That even looks like Mickey Mouse. So really cute. They have so many nice towels on Temu. So yeah, that, like I said, I will link it down below. Maybe it'll be back in stock by the time this video goes up. I don't know, but we'll see. And then, okay, I got some Christmas nails. Temu has wonderful artificial nails and such a great price. So this one, let's see, which was the first one I wanted to show you. This one is a set of 24 nails, and you can see all the different designs on the link, but this one has little gingerbread houses, and then these are red with snowflakes, and these are a medium size. These were $1.49 for 24 nails, which is great. And I've used Temu nails a lot, and they work really well. They come in, you know, enough sizes for your manicure, and for $1.49, why not, right? Actually, let me open these so I could show you some of the different designs. And it does come with a nail file too, which is good to just like smooth out the edges. So just to show you, there's like a little gingerbread guy there. There's some like greenish blue snowflakes. There's candy cane nails in there as well. So just to give you an idea. So yeah, so there was that set, and then I also got this one too, which is currently not available, but I will link it down below. This one was $2.58 again for 24 nails. And these ones have more of like a squared off shape on the top, while these are more almond shape. So, and this one comes with the little stickies if you want to do that. I like to use nail glue, so I don't use the little stickies. But this one has the cute little like Christmas puddings, I think, or holly. There are gingerbread houses in there, gingerbread men, and stars and sprinkles. And then they're just so they're designed so well. And yeah, looking forward to starting to wear those. So, I mean, you can't go wrong for the price for those, and they're good quality. So I'm happy with those. And then the last thing I want to show you right now before we get up and move around is this pillow. And actually, this is kind of big, but this is a gingerbread house pillow. And actually, I'll probably show this on the rug so you can see the full size, but it's so cute. Was $15.40. It's a really nice Sherpa, very nice and soft, great size. Then it has the embroidered windows and doors and decorations. It's got red, blue, and green accents, and then a white, like faux fur kind of trim to look like snow on the chimney. There's a separate chimney piece here, and on the roof eaves. So yeah, I love this. It's really nice and big and plush, and totally worth the $15.40. So yeah, this will be linked down below, of course. So let's go ahead and I'm going to take the camera off the stand, and we'll walk around my craft room, and I'll show you the other things we have. Hold on. Okay, so this is the next item I wanted to share with you. This is a wonderful storage cart, and this is $24.17, I think, but it's another item that Temu has for $1 if you're a new user, if you click on the link down below. But this comes in pink and white, and as you can see, I got the pink, and it's a really nice slim size, and it's perfect for us crafters. It's lightweight, easy to put together, and I like is that it can organize. Well, the way I have it is things that I'm working on currently, and I have this normally right next to my chair at my desk. So the top section has these little dividers. So I put in some projects that I've been working on right here, and then here are some like packs of embellishments that I've been using. So just to keep them on hand. And then there's another section here. You could put your drink or whatever. And then it has excuse me, these like 1, 2, 3 different shelves that are slanted. So they're a perfect size for your like 12 by 12 collection packs. I also have my dies that I'm working on. These are my new release for Scrap Diva Design, so I have them all right on hand. And then there's another section here I could put things in. Down here is a bigger section where you could just put, you know, things you're working on or supplies. I have some of my bigger projects that I've been working on right there. They're on wheels, so you can just spin it around or just move it easily. And in the back, you can put more collections too, you know, so I have a couple of collection packs here. And then I also have some like flower shaping mats and just some like other mats that I could put on my desk depending on what kind of material I'm using. So I love this. It's so nice and handy, and it's slim too, you know. So you could see on the link like all the dimensions and stuff, but it comes in a few different pieces and you just kind of snap them together. It's not hard to do at all. So yeah, I'm really happy with this cart. All right, so let me just back up and I will show you my beautiful new rug. Oh, isn't this so pretty? This one here is it's a faux cashmere rug, and it's so nice and soft, you guys. You never know when you order rugs, like exactly what they're going to look like, or if they'll be as pretty in person as they are online. And this one is just gorgeous. This one is about 5 by 7, and it's pink. Let me just move down so you could see. And it's so soft. It's got like some brown accents, some tan, some peach, some taupe, and it's kind of like a creamy white background. And it's got a non-skid backing too, which is really, really nice. So I have it on my new floors, and it just keeps the room so cozy and warm, and I love it. So this one was, let me see. Let me look at my list of how much it was. Okay, this size was $60.99, but it ranges, of course, you know, in price depending on how big. I think this is the second biggest size, but isn't that pretty? And I think it looks really, really nice in here. Let me just back up so you can see. I'm still working, of course, on my craft room, but this is like the big part of my craft room, and I think it looks really nice there. So yeah, that's one of the new rugs I got. That's the biggest one. So let's just keep moving over. That gingerbread one I've had, but this rug here is another new one. And this is a cloud rug. This one was, let me see, I wrote it down. 18 by 48, and it was $12.53. And it does come in a smaller size too, which I think is like 36 inches or something. But this one is really nice and soft too, and I love it because it's got that like straight edge there, and I just kind of took it out of the package, so it's still a little bit wrinkly, but that'll go down. But I love it just at the edge of my counter because, you know, you need a straight edge there. So that's that one, and I just think it's so pretty. I think I'm going to order another one to go where the Hello Kitty mat is right now, and that's the other rug that I got. This one, oh, isn't that cute? This one comes in a couple of different sizes too. This is the larger one. This is 48 inches. There's like a 37-inch one too, and I think it's 18 inches across. This one I'm going to put away till next year because it's got all the like fall icons on it, but this is officially licensed Hello Kitty products. It's got the macarons, the cake pops, the pumpkins, pumpkin spice, pumpkin pie, little donuts. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love this. And this is really nice and soft as well. It's got a non-stick backing. Let me show you the cloud blanket or rug. This one has a non-skid backing too, although it's a little more skiddy than the other ones. So I just love these rugs. I think they're so cute, and especially this one. This one is definitely my favorite. Okay, let's go back to my desk. I forgot I was going to show you my pillow on the rug just so you could see it, you know, the full scope of it. Isn't that so cute? I just love it. Love, love, love. It's so soft. I think it'd be nice to just sit with this on my rug while I'm doing some crafting. And, you know, sometimes you'd like to just stretch out on the floor. So cute, cute, cute. So that's my cute little pillow. All right, now we'll go back to my desk. All right, so that is everything. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know what you think. Don't forget to download the Temu app if you haven't done so already. Do it through my link. You'll get some coupons. Otherwise, search my code DUV3393 to get some coupons, and then you can claim that dollar item, either the pants or the cart, which is great because that saves you a bunch of money. But otherwise, yeah, I'm really happy with this order, and thank you, Teemu, for sponsoring me once again. I'm just so happy to have these items for my craft room and for my home, and just for, you know, for the holiday season. So very excited about this. I hope you guys liked. Let me know what you think. I will be back soon with more crafty videos and hauls. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Lots of fun on my channel with hauls, tutorials, project shares, that sort of thing. And I will be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.